How to add or remove emoji keyboard in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general, and then scroll down and click on keyboard. Now again click on keyboards, and if you want to remove your emoji keyboard, then simply click on edit and then click on this minus icon and then click on delete. After delete your emoji keyboard, then click on done. Your emoji keyboard will be deleted. And if you want to add a emoji keyboard, then simply click on add new keyboard and then search here emoji keyboard. Now click on it, and here you can see my emoji keyboard will be added. So this is the way to add or remove emoji keyboard in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.